Today I'm going to walk you through my personal experience with Wells Fargo home improvement loans. If you're planning a renovation or just need funds to update your living space, you might have looked into this option. On the surface, Wells Fargo offers a wide range of loan products, but there's a lot you need to know before diving in. The home improvement loan is essentially a personal loan marketed specifically for renovations and upgrades. It's unsecured, which means you don't have to use your home as collateral, but that usually comes with a higher interest rate compared to home equity loans or HELOCs. When I applied, the online process was relatively straightforward. I filled out a basic form with personal and financial information. They did a soft credit check initially, which was good because it didn't affect my credit score. However, once you move further in the application, they do perform a hard inquiry. The approval time was fairly quick. I got a response within 48 hours. In terms of rates, Wells Fargo's rates weren't the lowest out there. Depending on your credit profile, APRs can vary a lot. I was offered a rate that was slightly above average compared to other lenders I researched. The repayment terms ranged from 12 to 84 months, which is flexible, but I noticed that longer terms came with significantly higher interest rates. There were no origination fees, which was a plus, but be aware that late fees apply and they're not cheap. The loan funds were deposited quickly after approval, within 2 business days. Managing the loan through their website and mobile app was pretty seamless. The dashboard clearly displayed the remaining balance, due dates, and payment options. You could also set up autopay easily, which helps avoid late fees. Now, let's talk about the downsides. Wells Fargo has had its share of controversies, and customer service isn't always consistent. I personally had to deal with a delay in getting clarification on a payment issue, and their support wasn't very responsive. That can be frustrating, especially if you're dealing with a large renovation project and need clear communication. Many other useful links you can find in the description. One important thing to keep in mind is that this loan isn't specifically tailored for home improvement beyond the branding. It's still a personal loan, so if you're doing major structural renovations, you might be better off with a home equity product. Also, make sure to double-check how this loan affects your overall debt-to-income ratio, especially if you're planning to apply for a mortgage or refinance in the near future. All in all, Wells Fargo's home improvement loan might be a decent choice for smaller to medium-sized projects if you already bank with them and can get relationship discounts. But if you're looking for the best rates or top-tier customer service, it's worth shopping around before committing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates on loans and finance tips.